What's going on? You guys are looking for a way to instantly make money with PayPal in 2023, 2024, beyond. Well, you're in luck today. I want you to smash the like on this video because I'm going to give you guys a great opportunity so you guys can actually start making money easily. Actually, I want to take you over to a place to where you ain't got to worry about the scams. It's a community, it's a marketing community, a place where you can learn to make money online. I drop a lot of info in here, a lot of good methods in the free community. There's a free community called Marketer Community, and you guys need to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. But we'll go ahead and go over here to Marketer Community. And when you guys get here, it's going to look a little something like this. All right, guys. This is the free community you can join, guys. This is where I unload all my knowledge about making money online. As you can see, this is the marketer community. The community part is free. On the inside of the community, there is a group that I am involved with, and you can earn. You actually become a affiliate basically with marketer.net. And there's a lot of great methods I show on the inside of this group on how to earn money like this, like these guys. These are real up-to-date users and earnings right here at the top. We'll go ahead and log in real quick and I'll show you that it is free. Once you join, you can join for free. And when you join for free, you get access to everything inside the group. And I'm always dropping new stuff. Like I buy a lot of digital marketing products, and I'm always looking for new methods and ways to earn money online, especially with PayPal. Uh, you guys come join this group. There's a lot of good stuff that goes on in the group. As you can see, I drop a lot of good knowledge. And especially if I find methods from other people that work, I'll share it inside the group. Other people, you can come here and actually share your methods and business inside of the marketer community here. As you can see, there's a lot of good tools and tips that you guys can use in here in different ways and different methods that I actually drop all throughout the group or inside the community, my bad, inside of the community. But if you're actually a part of the group, then you're going to get access to a whole lot more. As you can see, these users are up to date with the earnings, guys, and this is by becoming a member of Marketer Group inside of the community. Okay, you can join the community for free, where I unload a lot of free methods and tips and ways to make money online. But in order to get like the breakdown and become an affiliate with marketer.net, you need to join the group and or get the access to the learning center in the intro video on how to get started. And I unleash a whole lot of good methods, okay, guys, on how to make money. And once you actually become a member of Marketer Group, you actually will put in your PayPal credentials and get paid, because this is the way that marketer.net pays out. Right now, it's just PayPal, but we will be adding other payout methods, okay, guys? So people are getting paid with PayPal through the Marketer Group, okay? And you can only access the Marketer Group by joining Marketer Community, which is free, guys. The community is free to join, which is right here. So you'll have access to the group and the community once you join the group. But the community is actually free, and you guys can join the community and have access to whatever's going on inside of the community, which is a lot of great stuff, a lot of great methods, guys, that I share over here. You can share your business opportunities inside of the community over here as well, and just message. You can link up with other entrepreneurs inside the community, um, and whatever you like to do, you can message, you can share ideas, uh, communicate with people, however you, whatever you want to do inside the group. I do monitor like spammy type stuff, so spam type stuff and users will be deleted. I don't want this to be like those Facebook groups over here. Okay, guys, this is going to be real methods that work that people need to share over here inside the group. So if this is something that you're interested in, please join me over here at Marketer Community. And if you're also interested in joining my marketer group, please go ahead and sign up once you get join the community. Okay. So I hope to see you over here, and I hope to see you making some instant money with PayPal. I got a whole lot of proven methods on the inside of the group. Plus, I also share a lot of great methods of making money with PayPal and everything on the inside of the community. So come join my community. It's free, and I see you over there. Peace.